In this video, I will show you how to verify your Twitter in Anime Avengers in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So first, what you're going to want to do is load up Anime Avengers on Roblox. And once you've got that loaded up, what you're going to want to do is come and speak to this guy here that has the Twitter verification above his head. So you just want to go up to this guy and press E on your keyboard. And then what you want to do is come down under the speech bubble and click Verify Twitter. So to actually verify your Twitter account, all you need to do, and the reward for doing this, is 500 gems and a 5 trait reroll tokens. All you need to do is open up Twitter and you want to follow these two users, which is at Drayans and at dev-scripts. Now, once you've gone ahead and you followed them on Twitter, what you then want to do is enter your Twitter username into the box down here. And once that's done, all you need to do is simply click the green redeem button. What it's going to do is verify your Twitter on Anime Adventures, and in turn you'll be rewarded with 500 gems and the 5 trait reroll tokens. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.